Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to see an important part of a machine tool operation, that is a shaping tool, and how product is made by using a shaping tool by giving it a different shape can be seen in this video. Shaping tool is nothing but a single point cutting tool. What it does? It just gives the shape to the workpiece, and it also work on quick return motion mechanism. In that what happens, your tool is going down because of the reciprocation of your ram and the cutting action takes place. And during the return stroke, no cutting action takes place. So in this way, it reciprocates and it works on the mechanism. So if you'll see the kinematic scheme of this mechanism, the workpiece is being fed, like your tool is exactly used to fed inside your workpiece and your job is made. So in this way, shaper tool gives you exact counter or exact drilling can also be done by using shaping tool, and your workpiece can be made according to the need of the customer. So in this diagram, you can see the workpiece is feeding in one direction and the tool is coming in the other direction. So both are going and crossing each other so that proper shaping action can be given. Basically, three kind of parts are there in a shaping machine which are important. First is your ram, second tool post, and third is your work table. So these parts play a very important role for giving shape to any object. So in this diagram, you can see a shaping machine. What is seen in that? Your tool is fixed in your ram, which has a spindle. Your ram just moves up and down, and your work feet moves in a different direction. So both are moving in a certain direction and cutting action is carried out. So it has all the parts which are there in a normal lathe machine as well as a normal milling machine, but in this the ram only can reciprocate. So there are different kind of shaper machine according to the use. Some of them are listed below. So if I'll talk about the alignment, they can be horizontal as well as vertical. They also can be classified as gear, cam as well as other kind of shapers. Also there are standard as well as universal shapers, push and draw shapers. So these are some of the shapers, but they differ from each other according to the use and according to the size. So any kind of cutting can be given on a shaper machine. They can be horizontal, vertical, irregular or any other kind of cutting. So any kind of object can be cutted or given a shape, but the counter can be different or a same counter can be repeated on all the products. So in this diagram, you can see that there are four types of cutting operation. The first operation is horizontal operation. So you can see the horizontal cutting as well as vertical cutting. So in the pictures which are at the bottom of the slide, one is your inclined cutting and the last one is irregular cutting. Like you do not know how to cut it. Cutting can be irregular. So it can be any pattern which is not prescribed, like horizontal, vertical, inclined at a certain angle. You can make flowers, you can make any kind of other shape which is not regular cutting, but it can be also irregular. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and do subscribe our channel Ekeeda.